Hi guys, today we're talking about a form that I developed to beat split stone golem formations. So this one, it kind of was developed out of necessity because a lot of forms out there had the split stone golems with the stone golems on column 1 and 7. And whether it be Davison or Siondiok, these were kind of difficult to overcome. So a lot of guys were running them, and still quite a few do. So I made a form that I could use to beat it with, and I actually have that in my formations. So this one I call my split. What do I call it here? Kills split. Very appropriately named. And so generally, when you come against a split stone golem form, the stone golems are going to be on the opposite corners of your opponent's offense or defense, what have you. So the idea behind this is 3 stone golems generally kills the split stone golem when they have a stone golem here and a stone golem here. A lot of these forms with the split stone golems, they have a lot of orc hunters. So I put goblikazes behind my orc hunters to take out. I put goblikazes behind my stone golems to take out their orc hunters. So if your opponent comes in and they have a lot of orc hunters, generally this will kill pretty much all of them. And on top of that, I have orc hunters here, and usually 2 of these will go over the 2 over here and 2 will go over the other 2 over here. And that does a lot of damage right off the bat, whether it's a Siondiok or Celine or Davison. So another thing that does a lot of damage is the undead warriors, and they're fast. So if they're paired with Siondiok, they do a lot of damage. Now the nuns back here help to heal a lot. So if I'm going up against a split Davison, he tends to strike right here. And if he hits your Peltas, you'll probably lose. So you want Davison to hit back here. That's why I have the cluster of nuns there. They can keep Davison busy while he's killing all their guys. So I used to run this one with a couple of witchcraft totems here. And just kind of by mistake, I got rid of them or somehow, and it seemed to work better. Because I used to run witchcraft totems here. They'd go up and they'd fear the other army. It worked pretty good, but this one actually works better. And then as the newer troops came out, the Shadow Ninjas and Undead Warriors, it just kind of developed into this. And I use the Dark Witch in this one also, because generally their army comes forward into your guys, and that pretty much gathers all their Peltas and everything in the middle, while your Peltas are going to the outside on both sides. And then when their Peltas get grouped in the middle, the Dark Witch will come in here and nuke them all. So let's see if we can't find a split stone golem form to face here, and we will show you just how this works. If you're familiar with my videos, you guys have I put up a daily arena battle, so if you're watching my videos, you guys know what I'm talking about because I do this one all the time. So let's see if we can find somebody to fight here. Okay, so here we go with a split stone golem, Siondiok. So with this one only has 2 orc hunters against me, so I could pull out some of these. I could probably pull out 2 of them on the sides and put in more ghost assassins, seeing that he doesn't have any goblikazes in the back there. So if it's a Siondiok that's got this, I'm gonna put Celine in there versus Siondiok, and let's see how this one goes down here. Okay. Goblikazes kill his orc hunters. My guy's coming in on the right, both sides. Take out the stone golems on the side before he can kill my stone golems in the middle, and then it's all over. 2 Peltas hitting them from the outside, and they're trapped in the middle there, while the Dark Witch, I rarely lose with this form. Sometimes some weird, just massive unluck beats me. All right, so if they are rocking a Davison in there too, then I'll put in my own Davison. Davison will counter this. And here we go. Hits the Peltas or the Frost Archers, and he hits my nuns back there. And it's just whoever kills the stone golems first really is the winner. And you generally can kill the 2 stone golems on either side before he can kill the 3 in the middle. And by that time, it's all over. So this one wins, pretty much every single time. So, and out of necessity, sometimes, like I said, if this guy's only got 2 orc hunters coming against me, you could change that up. And I see he doesn't have any protection in the back, so I could put in a couple ghost assassins there. And my 1 Goblikazi is still probably going to kill his orc hunters, so we can go with this one. Here we go. Plus those ghost assassins in the back are going to chew up his form pretty good. And there you have it, just like that. Usually if you Davison versus Davison, if you're up by 20, generally 30, 20, it's over. So if you get up by 100 here, no worries. So the only thing this one doesn't really work on that great is split stone golem Selines. So this works good on Davisons and probably Jins and Siondiaks and Chiones. All those, no problem. Just Selene is a little weird. So if we put Selene in here, I still need to figure these. Generally, my Davison's probably, I don't know, probably not going to beat it, but we'll see how it goes here. Oh, maybe so. Yeah, if Davison can hold his own there during the initial thing, it's pretty much over. So most Selines you're they're gonna have a lot more orc hunters in there, and that's what the difference is. If they put 6, 7, 8 orc hunters in there, your Goblikazis don't stop them because of Selene's invincibility. So yeah, this form here kind of born out of necessity to take out those split stone golems. Like I said, the most impressive win with this, I beat pretty much everybody that has a split stone golem. All the top clan guys, if they were running them, I was beating them. That's just the way it is. So like I said, you can tweak it a little bit depending on if they got more orc hunters and different things. And I use Davison to counter Davison. If they're running Jin, I'll probably use a Davison. If they got a Siondiak, I'll throw a Selene in there. Just mix it up like that. And then little tweaks here and there. But generally, this one's pretty solid. I don't really have to mess with it that much. And if I see they have a ton of rear attackers, I might pull these and put a couple of Goblikazis back there. If they don't, generally because I kill his stone golem so fast, these guys turn around and handle business. So, all right. I think that's about it for this one, guys. Just a kind of a tutorial on how to beat the split stone golem, Davisons, Chiones, pretty much everything but Selines, I'd have to say. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. And you could do some substitutions here. If you don't have these, undead soldiers do pretty good, or perhaps a brawler, perhaps even voodoo dolls that get in there and do the damage fast. You can substitute other rear attackers for other rear attackers, so magic apprentices, ghost assassins. The one thing you got to be careful with is ghost assassins. You don't want to put them all stacked up if the enemy has Goblikazis back there, because they're going to die. So usually ghost assassins are good to take out the enemies of Goblikazis, and then your magic apprentices can get in there and do some work. If you don't have this many nuns or this many frost archers, you can use archers, or Tor switchers. Those will work as well. And yeah, if you don't have pirates for the back, you could put in maybe pumpkins or stone golems. So, but generally you need the 3 stone golems up front here. I wouldn't really substitute anything for that, and that should get you plenty of wins versus any split stone golem form out there, save for the Selene. And Dark Witch, it's not a must, but it does help, especially when all those Peltasts are in the middle and they just get turned into pumpkins. It's devastating. So guys, I hope this is helpful. Hope it was informative, and trying to just get the word out there how to beat different forms. I like to help people, and hopefully this was a little insightful, and maybe you got to learn something. You guys probably know everything I know anyways, but I'm just making a video just for the heck of it. So you guys have a great day. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you all next time.